If you've been trying to figure out how to email X.com or Twitter support, here's the important thing to know right away. X does not really offer a direct customer support email address for most users. Instead, they use a support form system inside the Help Center. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to contact X support from your PC, step by step, so you can submit your issue the right way and avoid wasting time looking for an email that may not exist. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your web browser on your PC. You can use Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or any browser you normally use. In the address bar, go to the X Help Center. This is where X organizes all of its support topics and contact forms. Once the Help Center loads, you'll see different categories for different types of issues. Take a moment to choose the one that matches your problem best. This is important because X routes support requests based on the category you select. For example, you might be dealing with an account login issue, a security problem, or something related to your profile or posts. After you select the correct issue category, the site will usually show you a form or a set of follow-up options. Now carefully fill out all the required details it asks for. Make sure you provide accurate information because missing or incorrect details can slow down the response or cause your request to be ignored. If there is a field for your X username, email address, or a description of the issue, enter it clearly and briefly explain what happened. If the form asks for additional context, include the most relevant facts only. The goal here is to make it easy for the support team to understand your issue without having to go back and forth asking for more information. Once everything is filled out, review the form one more time. Check for typos, make sure you selected the right category, and confirm that all required fields are completed. Then click Submit. After that, X will receive your request and you should wait for a reply through the contact method associated with the form. Depending on the type of issue, support may respond by email or through follow-up instructions. And that's it. Even though X doesn't provide a simple public support email for most cases, their Help Center form is the official way to reach them from your PC. It only takes a few minutes once you know where to look. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.